Hi everyone! Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Tom. It's great to see you again. Today we're having a super fun lesson inside a shopping store.
Yes, we'll learn countable and uncountable nouns while shopping for delicious food.
And trust me, Emma buys a lot of snacks.
Hey, only some snacks and maybe a little chocolate.
See? Uncountable chocolate.
Yes. And before we start, please like this video, subscribe, and leave a friendly comment below.
Wow, this shop looks big.
Yes, it has countable items like apples, bananas, sandwiches.
And also uncountable items like milk, juice, bread, cheese.
Let's grab a shopping basket.
Good idea. One basket. Just one. That's countable.
Let's start with fruit. Tom, how many apples do we need?
Apples are countable, so we can say 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples.
Right? I think we need 5 apples.
And what about bananas?
Bananas are also countable. Let's get 6 bananas.
Perfect.
But juice is uncountable, right?
Exactly. We don't say juices. We say some juice.
Nice. Add some juice to the list. Ooh, Tom, look at the chocolate.
I knew it.
Chocolate is uncountable, so I'll say, I want some chocolate.
But cookies are countable, so maybe get a few cookies.
A few cookies sounds perfect.
Emma, this is becoming a snack party.
Learning English is more fun with snacks.
Okay, let's get some milk. Milk is uncountable.
Same with cheese, also uncountable.
But eggs are countable.
Yes. Let's take a dozen eggs.
And some butter.
Butter is uncountable too.
This section is full of uncountable nouns.
True. But the coffee beans are countable.
Great. Let's get 2 bags.
Tom, can we buy 3 waters?
3 waters?
I know. Wrong.
Water is uncountable. You can say 3 bottles of water.
Good. What about 2 breads?
Nope. Bread is uncountable.
Then what do we say?
2 loaves of bread.
Nice. English is funny.
Not as funny as your shopping list.
Hey, my list is perfect.
It has more snacks than real food.
Snacks are very real food.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
We got apples, bananas, eggs.
Those are countable.
And we also got milk, bread, and cheese. Uncountable.
Great choices.
See, Emma, even the cashier knows.
I know too.
Would you like 1 bag or 2?
1 is fine.
That's countable too.
Today is a grammar party.
Let's review. Countable nouns, apples, bananas, eggs, cookies.
Uncountable nouns, milk, rice, bread, chocolate, butter, cheese.
Countable equals we can count them individually.
Uncountable equals we need some, much, or a little.
Repeat after us.
Some juice.
A few apples,
A little milk.
many bananas,
A loaf of bread.
a bar of chocolate.
Great job.
You're amazing learners.
Tom, let's play a challenge.
Uh-oh. When Emma says challenge, I get scared.
Don't worry, it's easy.
What do I have to do?
I'll show an item, and you must say how much or how many
Let's try.
apples.
How many apples do we need?
Good. Next, water.
How much water should we buy?
Perfect. Now, popcorn.
Wait, popcorn is uncountable. So, how much popcorn?
Yes, you're on fire.
See, I'm a shopping grammar master.
Okay, last one. Oranges.
How many oranges do we need?
You win.
What's the prize?
Some chocolate.
That's the best prize ever. Let's put everything away in the kitchen.
Okay. We have many countable items. Apples, eggs, oranges.
And lots of uncountable items. Milk, rice, cheese, butter.
Tom, where should we put the rice?
Rice is uncountable, so in a big container.
Right. And the eggs?
Eggs are countable, so they go in the egg tray. What about bread? Bread is uncountable, but we can say a slice of bread or a loaf of bread.
Nice. Let me put the loaf here.
And the cheese.
Cheese is uncountable, but we can say a piece of cheese.
Exactly.
Tom, we bought too many snacks.
You bought too many snacks.
Okay, fine. Now let's imagine we're at a restaurant.
I like this activity already.
I'll be the waiter.
That's dangerous.
Welcome. What would you like to order?
I'd like a bowl of soup. Soup is uncountable.
Good choice. Anything else?
Yes. Some rice and a few vegetables.
Excellent. Vegetables are countable.
And for dessert, a piece of cake.
Cake is uncountable, but a piece of cake works.
And do you have a glass of juice?
Yes.
Perfect.
See, even in a restaurant, we use countable and uncountable nouns.
And food makes grammar more delicious.
Tom, let's play one last game.
Oh no.
The memory game.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll say an item from our shopping list, and you say if it's countable or uncountable.
Bring it on.
Apples,
Countable.
milk,
Uncountable.
cookies,
Countable.
cheese,
Uncountable.
bananas,
Countable.
chocolate.
Uncountable.
Wow, you're good at this.
Because I'm imagining eating all of them.
That's definitely cheating.
But delicious cheating.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We had a lot of fun teaching countable and uncountable nouns,
And we had even more fun shopping.
especially Emma.
No comment.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Your support helps our channel grow and lets us make more friendly English lessons.
Don't forget to ring the bell.
See you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.